Wow. 129, yeah. Not so expensive. Simple design.
Huh?
For running or for what?
هذا ما ادري ايش اسمه.
Basketball or football or what?
جيمس ما ادري. تسلك لي بس يلا.
It's okay, huh?
It's okay.
Nice. Hello, good morning. Welcome to another content of Solid TV. I hope you are all in good condition. Today is a holiday here at my place in observance of the Saudi Arabia Foundation Day. As to what is the exact date it was founded, that I don't know. What I know is that normally stores here at my place do offer price discount on selected products. Dahil holiday, day off ni Dodong, pinayagan tayo mag-explore ng mga tindahan kung saan mayroong discounted price. As of now, nasa na tayo? We are passing through the Qurais Road. Ayan siya. Ayun o, nakikita niyo ba yung may check na yun? Na meron 25 to 50% na numbers. Mukhang naaya ang aking mga paa dun. Kung ang hanap nyo ay power tools, then Sako is the right one for you. Tara, tingnan natin sa loob. Sale nga sana guys dun sa Sako at maraming power tools na talagang almost 50% ang reduction of the price. Kaya lang wala pa tayong budget, hindi pa priority yan. Ngayon naman ay we're heading to apparel and shoe store. Ito, maraming makaka-relate dito. Tingnan natin kung anong discounted price doon. Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Nike store. Tumitingin ako ng shoes. Ngayon pa lang, sa mga oras na ito ay masakit na ang aking ulo. Saan? Sa presyo. Ano ba ito guys? Jordan. Air Jordan. Combination of black, white and gray. Before 1,000, now 699. Ito naman may pagka gold. Kaya maling ibang model to. 492. Weight cut, black and white, 500 riyals. Ito maganda oh, ganda ng sole. Transparent, translucent, black and white in 100 riyals. Ito brown, leather type, 449. Oh, flex ko lang sa video. Mukhang ang ganda eh. Oh, may pagka safety shoes na pang hike,
42.5.
pang mountain hike.
Wala ng 42.5, 43.
May pagka maroon, white. Ang bang model, Jordan. 329. Combination naman ng white and maroon or burgundy, kung ano yung definition ng color na yan. Ayun, no? 500 riyals na lang. Combination ng light blue and white. Ayan, no? 349 Saudi riyals. Medyo maganda rin ang presyo, 749 Saudi riyals. Wala nga lang kasamang sintas. Walang shoelace.
Yeah, this is enough.
Do you like the design?
Look, look.
Wow. 129, yeah. Not so expensive. Simple design.
Huh?
For running or for what?
هذا ما ادري ايش اسمه.
Basketball or football or what?
جيمس ما ادري.
Ah,
تصدق كذا بس يلا.
it's okay, huh?
It's okay.
Nice.
Welcome.
Looks good and affordable. Not so expensive.
هذا فلوق.
Your name, Mr. Fawaz.
Yes.
Now, schooling or madrasa? Working?
Work, just
Oh,
work,
that's
yeah.
good. Saudi, yeah?
Location Kobe
Ah,
and model fashion.
really?
Yes.
That's good. Oh. Air Max Plus. 1.2 before. Now, 399 Saudi riyals according to the salesman. Hindi rin pahuhuli ang women's section. Ito ay para sa mga kababaihan. Meron din para sa mga kiddos. Para sa mga kids. Look at this. 349 Saudi riyals. Here are the pants. Mayroong 149, 249, 99. Also, shorts. Mayroong 79, 69, 99. Mayroon ding mga sleeves, long sleeves. And t-shirts. Apparel. 179. Ang ending guys, still empty-handed. Wala pang napipili o walang napili. Wala rin kasing pambili. I will go home for now. Review my budget. Kung meron mong budget na re-reviewin, go back to the same store and check if the discounted price is still available. I'm on my way home after I visited the two stores. One is the Sako or the power tool store, and the other one is the Nike outlet for the apparel and shoe items. What is my realization in this vlog? The realization is, kung wala kang pera, wag ka muna pupunta. Wag ka muna mag-shopping at baka ma-disappoint ka. Kung may pondo ka na, then tsaka ka mag-shopping. Yan ang magandang lesson na mapupulot natin ngayon dito sa vlog na ito. It's okay to be empty-handed kung hindi naman yun ang priority mo, diba? Kung ang priority mo is to send money back home or more of important purpose, tingin ko naman makapaghihintay yung mga discounted offer. Don't feel sad about it. Marami pa naman pagkakataon. So, I think I have to end my vlog at this point. God bless everyone. Bye bye.